Alright, what it do, gang? Back with another video, man. If you just not tuned into the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn that bell on at the top. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. And before you do anything else, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Bigrobbtv. It's the same as the YouTube. I'll drop it right here. Go follow me, man. Let's go ahead and get to 16K, right? Because this year is finna go insane. And when I reveal this new whip I got, man, y'all understand, right? So I know a lot of y'all been guessing, trying to figure out what new whip I got, you know, why I sold the Audi. I'll make another video explaining why I sold my Audi and why, you know, again, what I got. But, you know, a lot of y'all guessed. Y'all try to put y'all answers in. A lot of y'all comment on the video, you know, saying what y'all thought I got, you know, and I saw them. I saw the comments, man. I did keep my word though. The first person who guessed it right, not the first person that put it on there, but the first person that I seen guessed it right. And I'll be reaching out to that person and via Cash Apping them like I said I would. But yeah, man, I'm not really gonna talk a lot on this intro because I know y'all really want to go ahead and see what I got. So, you know, I'll talk a little bit later. But let me go ahead and just reveal to y'all the vehicle that I got. Let's get it. Alright, gang, so we back at the crib, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring the truck home, man. But, you know, man, I tried to wash it up for y'all, man, because at the end of this video, I'm going to post another clip that I recorded when the truck was first being delivered. They dropped it off around nighttime, man, probably like 10:30, something like that, man. But, you know, it was kind of dirty, man, because it came 28 hours away on the back of a trailer, man. Alright, y'all, hold up. Oh, let me do that. Alright, gang, so as y'all can see, it's raining like crazy outside, man, and it is late on the day. So the people who was delivering my truck, man, ran into an issue with the delivery driver, and they said they had to change the brakes out in the truck that they was using or whatever. So that's what delayed my delivery. But I just got the call, man, and they said they on the way. They'll be here to deliver my truck in 10 minutes. Get what that is coming down there. That's the car, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the Hawk, man. I got the Hawk. There she go, bruh. There she go. Black on black. Yes, sir. Y'all see her with the big Brimbos. With the big Brimbos. Black on black. Yes, sir. What that say, man? Grand Cherokee Supercharged, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know I got to get that muffler delete next. You know I got to get that muffler delete. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, heck yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. There she go, gang. There she go, man. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the garage, man. I can get it from her. You can park it. You can park it. You can leave it out here for me. I'll put it back in there. Yeah, you good, you good, you good. So I couldn't let y'all see the truck like that, man. So I had to go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, wash it up for y'all. But yeah, man, that's the Hawk, man. I finally got her, man. That's her right there. You know, just another little walk around over, man. This inside though, man. The inside was getting me, dog. I like that peanut butter inside, bro. Definitely got the peanut butter inside. You know what I'm saying? Panoramic roof and go all the way back. Trackhawk on the seats. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Black on black with the wheels. So, man, I think I'm gonna do everything I did to the Hellcat to this truck, man, but I'm just gonna do it in a different order. So, like, the first thing first, you know, I'm gonna do a little cosmetics or whatever, man. But, like, I know I'm gonna lower it first, man. I'm probably gonna lower it like 1 inch in the front and then lower it like 2 inches in the back. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm gonna do it like that. And I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna wait, but I did go ahead and just wash it up for y'all, man. And you know what I'm saying? I put the Hawk emblem right there. You feel me? Yeah, man. But that's her, man. So get out another little walk around. So I got to get the exhaust done. I got to lower it. So once I lower it, get the exhaust done, what else I'm gonna do? Then I'll start working on, like, you know, I'm probably gonna find a, like, I got to do a, probably find like a drive shaft, man. Change the drive shaft in the front, the back, and then throw a diff brace on there or something like that. I'm gonna get these brake calipers repainted too, man. I want a little bit more shinier, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them repainted. And then I'm gonna do a ceramic coat on the Hawk. And then I'll start with the performance mods, man. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? It's yeah, I'm starting off like this, man. So that's all cosmetic I'm gonna do first, and then after that, I'm gonna start with the performance mods, man. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and do the demon style hood with the big air vent right there in the middle of the hood. I'm gonna do that joint. I got a couple things I'm gonna do, man. You know, I'm gonna throw an intake on there because I got to hear that one. I got to wake up. She ain't crying enough for me right now. So I'm gonna do that, man. And after that, it's I'm gonna go ahead and start building, man. So yeah. Hey, I think this right here, man, is gonna take the channel to a whole new level, man. So you know, tune in right now, man. Go ahead and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and tune in with the gang, because we finna do a lot of things with this truck. So I'm gonna, I don't know, man. I got a lot of things I'm gonna do, so I ain't gonna really bore y'all too much, man. But I know a lot of y'all been wanting to see. A lot of y'all was right. You know, I did get the Hawk. I just got an amazing deal that I couldn't refuse. You feel what I'm saying? And I had to get it. You know, if you know me personally and we done crunched numbers and I told you, then you'll agree. You know what I'm saying? That was one hell of a price. So I had to go ahead and get it, man. And like I said, a lot of people want to know why I sold the Audi. I will be making a video of why I sold the Audi. That's probably gonna be next or something like that. But yeah. So between time, man, y'all stay tuned. What's up, Cass? Y'all stay tuned, man. And the next video, man, I drop, it's probably gonna be me taking it to the exhaust shop or something like that. But you know, other than that, man, we out.